Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the correct scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 15 points, Glenmuir Prep on 18 points. This is because Glenmuir Prep lost a point for the answer in the English language face-off, furiously. The correct answer was furious. Off camera during the break, we asked Creative Kids Learning Academy a question to make up, but they got it incorrect. So they also lost a point. So again, Creative Kids Learning Academy, 15, Glenmuir Prep, 18, as we go into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Can I have that time on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock? It's there. So teams, all the best. We begin our final challenge. International affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is this. Creative Kids.
Suriname.
Suriname.
That's correct. Sports. What's the nickname for the Jamaican female football player, Khadija Shaw? Glenmuir.
Bonnie. Khadija. No, Bonnie.
Bonnie.
That's right. Bible knowledge, who was the 5th of Jacob's 12 sons? Dan. Science. What are the 4 stages in the metamorphosis of Creative Kids?
Egg, larva, pupa, adult.
And moths in the order they occur, that's correct. English language. Does the word sliver mean a large piece, a thin piece, or a Glenmuir?
Thin piece.
Or a medium-sized piece of an object? Thin is correct. Music. Which gospel duo recorded the song Shackles? Mary, Mary. General knowledge, the city of Kiev is the capital of which Eastern European country? Kiev. Glenmuir.
Ukraine.
That's correct. Television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Creative Kids.
Andrew Garfield. Andrew Garfield.
That's right. Mathematics. If 5 meters of flooring costs $28,000, what will be the cost of 7.5 meters of the same flooring? Glenmuir. Time's up. It's $42,000. Social studies, in which Jamaican parish is the Canoe Valley? Glenmuir.
Trelawney.
That's incorrect. It's Manchester. Television, what's the name of the sea witch in the movie The Little Mermaid? Glenmuir.
Ursula.
That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. Glenmuir.
Kylian Mbappe.
French footballer, that's correct. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible immediately precedes Ezekiel? Glenmuir.
Daniel.
That's incorrect. It's Lamentations. Science. The medical condition asthma causes tubes in a particular organ to swell so the spaces through which air passes become smaller, making it difficult to breathe. Which organ? Creative Kids.
Lungs.
That's correct. English language, give a 10-letter word starting with M, which means sad. Glenmuir.
Melancholy.
That's right. Music, which Italian term was originally used to describe a shorter, perhaps less ambitious work than an opera, and actually means light opera? Operetta. General knowledge, Chennai, Bangalore, and Calcutta are major cities in which country? Glenmuir.
India.
India.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs. Who is the opposition spokesman on national security in Creative Kids?
Fritz Jackson.
In Jamaica, Fitz Jackson is correct. Mathematics. What's the mean average of 89, 91, and 60? Glenmuir. Time's up. It's 80. Social studies. The Bank of Jamaica building in downtown Kingston has whose statue at the front of the structure? Noel Nethersole. Bible knowledge. From which of the 12 tribes of Israel were the parents of Moses? Levi. English language. Give a 7-letter antonym starting with S for the word deep. Glenmuir.
Shallow.
That is correct. General.
By the bell.
And that brings us to the end of a nail-biting match. It's Glenmuir Preparatory on 26 points, Creative Kids Learning Academy on 25, which means a hearty congratulations to you, Glenmuir Prep. Excellent effort by you, Creative Kids Learning Academy. We wrap things up when we get back.